What's up, world? Your fancy new guy here to tell you about an opportunity. What's that opportunity, you ask? A career in manufacturing. I know you're an inventor at heart. You're the smartest generation this earth has ever seen. So I just want to equip you with the knowledge to be able to be successful with your ideas and inventions by these 5 basic principles. What are those 5 basic principles? I made it easy for you. All 5 start with the letter S. Your 5 S's. That first S, sort. I'm going to start with an example of sorting your life out. Do you really need that in your life? Think about your sock drawer with all those mismatched. What's the point? Just grab them and go. You just sorted out your life by getting rid of most of them. So, leads me to my second example. Set in order. So after you sort through your life and you realize you don't need that stuff, set in order what's left. Which leads me to your third S, shine. And not shine like a diamond, but necessarily shine by cleaning your area around you. And why should you clean the area around you? Well, just in case someone else is around you and you want to make sure you keep it clean. Your fourth S, now that you've learned those first 3, which is sort, set in order, and shine, we're now going to standardize. That same sock drawer that you just tossed all your mismatch, just buy the same sock. Me, I buy Deadpool socks. I bought 20 pair of them, so I can just wake up in the morning, grab and go. But there's something to remember, that 5th S, the most important. I'm going to give you a drum roll because the 5th S is sustain. The most important S, because if you can't sustain those best practices of the first 4 S's, it doesn't mean anything anyway. By sustaining those good habits, you can save time, and your time is your currency. The more time you have, the more money you can make, and more time you can spend on what really matters. I stick to these 5 S's so I can show my worth on day 1. If you're interested and you want to make your stuff come to life, go to FancyNewGuy.com to learn more off of our awesome content and follow our lesson plans. Have fun with it, explore at FancyNewGuy.com. And see you there, because I'm the Fancy New Guy.